أول حاجة نزلنا.
كيفاش؟ نطلعوا قامنا للدار.
السجن العشية.
A massive dust storm swept through in Aïn El Hadjel, Masila province. The storm was caused by strong, powerful southwest winds. A weather station, near the city, registered wind speed of 60 km per hour, 37 miles per hour, and gusts of 90 km per hour, 56 miles per hour. Despite being the middle of the day, the sky cannot be seen as it is completely covered by the cloud. The wind blows stronger and everything gets darker as the terrifying desert tempest covers the city, blocking out the sun. Eventually, day is turned to night and all that can be seen are the lights in houses and cars. The Sahara Desert frequently experiences colossal dust storms as sand from the desert is whipped up by high winds. The sand can travel huge distances and has been known to reach Britain, blanketing cars and causing so-called blood rain, when particles mix in with water droplets, leaving a rusty brown layer after they evaporate. A health official said that hospitals are on high alert and are prepared to deal with emergency cases caused by the dust storms currently affecting the country.